I am going to make a sandwich.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I can't be getting sick. I just can't be. It was one sneeze. It means nothing. Allergies. Just allergies. The pollen count has been really high, nothing more. I bet you can't even... Oh, no, that's green. Maybe it was because of those jelly beans I ate earlier this morning. I mean, I can't be getting...
That's it!
What? Clementine's
Shut up! I need a tissue. It's not enough. It's not enough. It's not enough!
The pasta. This will clear the mucus out!
All of it?
Yeah, man.
And you're sure this will clear my sinuses?
Pasta.
Oh, raspberry! I said strawberry, man! You know, you're a really good friend. I really appreciate all the help that you've been giving me. I'm feeling a lot better because of it.
Oh yeah, man, I'm here for you.
I really appreciate it.
Oh, don't worry. Here, you know one thing that you do need?
What's that?
Hydration.
Oh no!
This will get rid of those hiccups.
Wait. I don't have hiccups?
So it worked!
Are you an idiot?
Want to try the vacuum again?